welcome guys, this is Walid, an Arabic tutor for non-native speakers. If it's the first time you just watch me, subscribe my channel on YouTube and follow me via this page on Facebook. So let's get started. Today we have a new class, a new episode. We are still in the Arabic course, but today no Arabic. I'm going to teach you Quran or Tajweed rules. We have the first rule today is called Noon and Meem Mushaddad. So I don't understand what does mean. What does mean Noon and Meem Mushaddad? Please explain more. Okay, Noon, you know, Noon letters, okay, and Meem letter. But what does mean Shaddah? Shaddah, it look like, you know, sin letter, the beginning of sin letter, you know, this 3 teeth, right? This is Shaddah. This is a sign we're going to put on the letter, okay? So what does mean Shaddah? Shaddah, if you see Shaddah on any letter on the top, that means this letter just repeated 2 times. This letter just repeated 2 times, okay? So, but for the special letters, Noon and Meem Mushaddad, then we have to do something is called Ghunna. Ghunna or nasal sound. Ghunna or nasal sound, okay? So, then this Noon Mushaddad or Meem Mushaddad, if you see a word and you stopped in this word, the Ghunna is still applied, okay? Don't say no Ghunna because I stopped in this word and no Ghunna. No, the Ghunna is still applied, okay? Let me to give you examples. The first example of this, Anna. 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 Can you see Noon Mushaddad? And example, لترون. لترون. لا ترى Noon مشدد at the end. لترون. Okay? And example for me, حمالة. حمالة. ميم حمالة. Examples answer لما. 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 Okay, so this is the lesson of Noon and Meem Mushaddad.